In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details on Xero Invoice. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get paid faster with all the right information on your invoices. Start by heading to Xero, and once you're in your dashboard, look toward the main navigation bar. Open the sales area. This is where Xero keeps everything related to invoices, quotes, and customer payments. Inside sales, go to Invoices. This brings you to your invoice list, where you can see drafts, awaiting payment, and paid items. To reach the settings that control what appears on your invoices, begin by opening a new invoice. Click New Invoice to launch the invoicing screen. You don't need to fill out the invoice right now. We're just using this view to access the template settings. On the invoice screen, look for the three dots menu, usually near the top right. Click that menu, then choose Invoice Settings. This takes you to the area that manages your invoice templates and what prints or displays on every invoice you send. Here, find the template you use for your invoices. Open the Options menu for that template, then select Edit. This opens the editor for your branding theme or invoice layout. We're interested in the section that controls the wording and instructions customers see when they pay you. Locate the Terms and Payment section. In this area, add your bank details and any payment instructions you want customers to follow. Keep it concise and unambiguous. For example, include your account name, bank name, account number, and any local identifiers like a sort code. If you invoice overseas, you can also include an IBAN and SWIFT BIC. Add a clear payment reference format, such as use the invoice number as the payment reference, so receipts match up smoothly. Aim for 3 to 5 short lines so the information is readable and doesn't push important content onto a second page. If you accept multiple payment methods, list them in order of preference and specify any cutoff times or processing notes customers should know. When you're happy, save your changes. From now on, any invoice that uses this template will automatically include the bank details and payment instructions you just added, both on the PDF and in the online invoice view. If you use more than one bank account or different currencies, consider maintaining separate templates so each set of details stays accurate. That's it. Your invoices are now set up with clear bank details, helping your customers pay you correctly and on time.